Hi guys, welcome to Studio Mentors. My name is Keithan. In this video, we're going to talk about NMIMS, but from a different perspective. I've been getting a lot of requests and students that say that, sir, we want to join this college or whether we should be, aiming for NMAT or not. So kindly can, give us a little bit idea about, how is NMIMS. So I'm not going to make this video, sort of a rhetoric or, very much stereotype. I'm going to give you guys a little different angle as far as NMIMS college is concerned. I've been observing this college over a period of time, and this college always surprises me with respect to its placements, with respect to its pedagogy, and all the things which are going to help you, as an aspirant. So if you look at the gender ratio, it's a decent gender ratio. I believe that these guys have been maintaining experience background. You get the versatility as far as your peer group learning is concerned because you will see students coming from all the different background altogether. If you look at the work age, the average work age in NMIMS should be around about 2 years. I would say educational background is something that you can have a look at. This is something I really like about their data. Professionally certified candidates there are 100 like 312 candidates. So it's a good number. It's a good competition. Also, it means if you have a professional certification or if you have done something which is in that particular field, you have a great chance to kind of get a good placement eventually or to get selected for NMIMS. Now, let's look at the batch profile for HR. Again, people are joining NMIMS for HR from all the backgrounds. The average work experience is around about 17 months. Again, you can have a look at, okay, the gender issue is actually surprising because if you look at 41% guys joining in, again, it's a myth that, only girls can do very well as far as HR is concerned. I think nowadays, guys are doing a fabulous job and it has kind of, opened the market for both the sort of genders. Let's move ahead. So on this slide, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about the placement. Now, if you look at the average is 18.33 lakhs. Again, do not think about ROI. I'm not talking about ROI because you know that I really don't believe in ROI sort of a concept. The highest package is around about 38 lakh, which is something more than some of the new IMs and baby IMs. Highest international 58.61 really does not matter because this will change all the time. Now, the realistic thing or the important thing that you need to understand here is that 41 students or 41% of the batch is actually making into the Fortune 500 companies, right? So okay, so no, it's a different thing altogether. 41 Fortune 500 companies visited the campus, 37 new recruiters, total recruited 148. Okay, now the number that I'm really happy about is that close to 50% of the batch has got PPOs and PPIs. Now, this is just a number that the people have got PPI. Conversion ka we don't know, so we'll have a look at the conversion. Again, specialization that they offer, they also have a specialization in Genman. That's quite good. Moving ahead, excuse me. Moving ahead, if you look at the placement, right? If you look at the placement, it's a beautiful statistic that you can look at. It is not, at an extreme level that what, ये चीज़ यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छी है, ये specialization अच्छा नहीं है. If you look at the balance, it's so beautifully actually balanced and managed out here. So I think right from Genman, operations, marketing, and finance, these guys have done a great job. If you look at the numbers out here, they have given the on-campus and the PPO also. FMCG has got 58% PPO, BFSI has got 27% PPO, and that's it. So when you talk about PPO, right, it means that your summer opportunities that are coming on the campus are quite bright. That's what, as an aspirant, you should be looking at. So as far as the sort of balancing out is concerned across the specialization, NMIMS is really good, really good. And when I compare the NMIMS with new IMs and baby IMS, definitely it can be one of the choice that you want to make. You will not be disappointed, that's for sure. Moving ahead, HR placement again, you look at, I think they have managed to do a good job. 15 lakh is what the average that they are saying. So, and the highest is around about 22 lakhs. But again, when you look at the top 5%, top 10%, and all that, HR is a tough field. I mean, there are good colleges, like hands-on colleges like XLR, TIS and all. But still, NMIMS is actually managing to place people very well as far as their, HR domain is concerned. Here is a quick breakup. You can pause the video and have a look at this. Let's move ahead. Now, MBA HR the profiles offered again across the domain. You can see BFSI LK, startups LK. I think that's isn't that a really a sort of a balanced portfolio for a college because any sort of a person like if you're somebody who want to do MBA HR and you want to get into BFSI, you want to get into startup, you want to get into let's say conglomerate or manufacturing domain, you will still get the opportunity. So if you look at profile wise or if you look at placement wise, I don't see it's an extreme college because there are certain colleges that have been tagged very good for XYZ specialization. That's not happening in NMIMS, and that's is something really good about NMIMS, and that's something going to help you as an aspirant. Moving ahead, this is something I really want to spend time on and talk about. Look at the profiles that have been offered in the domain of FMCG predominantly. So if you look at FMCG. Now you name a company and you can see them. You have Johnson and Johnson, you've got Britannia, all these blue chip companies, all these companies which are in the Fortune 500 list in the world. You can see them coming on campus for NMIMS. You might not see this even for a couple of IMs, even for a couple of good non-IMs, and even for IITs. And that's where the now how does it work? See, because when you have a diversity at college, when you have people coming from all the background, and when you have people with certain kind of a profession certification and all that, it actually attracts a lot of recruiters on your campus. So if you look at all the companies over here, all the companies out here are actually good, and it's just not company taking part in the placement drive. If you look at their profiles are also really good. This leadership sort of a profile. One second, let me just kind of go through this step by step. Aditya Birla Retail Limited, right? All these are since the younger program, like Whirlpool Young Leaders Program. Who would not love to get into these sort of companies, right? So again, you have Whirlpool visiting a lot of campuses, but then again, these are the profiles which are given by Whirlpool as a company, or maybe ITC, or maybe by Titan, or maybe by Britannia, to college called as NMIMS. And again, definitely it's in top 20, so you can expect these sort of profiles. Now, these profiles that I'm just talking about are not BAU, it's business as usual. Nahi hota. They are not monotonous. They are not traditional. They're like very, very cool. You have a great chance to grow eventually. You can grow the ladder up. You can switch and you can get a good opportunity in other companies in the same industry also. And that's the benefit. Now, who would not like to, get on a job which is not monotonous, wherein you are being challenged every goddamn day, right? So that's how it is as far as the FMCG and all is concerned. Now let's talk about the conglomerate auto and manufacturing companies. So what do we have? Again, we've got Cummins in here, we've got Honeywell, we've got Mahindra, we've got L&T, we've got Reliance. All these companies that I'm talking about, GE, beautiful. All these companies that I'm talking about, right? All these companies are actually visiting top-notch IMs, SP Gens, FMS, and again, you can see them on NMIMS also. Let's look at the FMP program. Yeah. So you also have financial. This is something I'm talking about. Financial management program given by GE. Again, it's a beautiful thing. Look at the profile given by Reliance, right? It's a leadership role sort of a profile. Again, intern sales and marketing leadership program. What do you have? General management profiles are also given. So this conglomerate manufacturing oil and gas company can also give you these sort of profiles which are not monotonous. Moving ahead, when you talk about banking and finance, you'd name the company and you will see it on this, regularly. You've got the show and company coming here. You've got Goldman coming here, BofA coming here. You've got Morgan Stanley. You've got Nomura. You've got Social General also. That's beautiful. So if you look at the sort of opportunity that you guys are getting, it's as I said, like it's not one ended, right? कि इतने ही type की companies आती है. Trust Vista is also coming on the campus. Care Rating is also coming on the campus. BlackRock. ये कंपनीज आपको बहुत कम दिखेगा. ये कंपनीज आपको बहुत कम दिखेगा. Even on the IMs, right? You might not see BlackRock and Care and all these guys are coming. American Express, one of the beautiful bank in there. Now let's look at the roles that you have. You got every role, financial valuation से लेके the treasury has to be there. Treasury has to be there. I'm going to be very confident. Treasury has to be there. So if you can just check, you can pause the video and check. Valuation का profile है, portfolio valuation है, financial valuation है, fraud and risk का है, finance and accounting का है, treasury is there, corporate risk is there, wealth management is there. Again, ICICI Prudential Leadership Program is also there. Max Life Future Leadership Program is also there. Look at these. These are the profiles. So in finance also, you are not getting those typical desk job sort of a profile wherein people do get bored, right? So it's not like that. And that's the reason, when you look at NMIMS, you also need to understand, like people do talk about RON, do people do talk about, number of students. But again, the quality of peer group is fabulous. And that is the reason you can see a lot of companies giving you leadership sort of a job. Why you should not be looking at this college, or why you should not be preparing for NMAT. And that's the reason I would say that if you're somebody who is really keen on getting into good profile and a great brand, NMAT is something that you should be targeting. Let's go ahead. Okay, what do we actually got? IT and analytics. Okay, all the top-notch companies you will see here. All the top-notch companies you will see here. You'll also see companies from product management. You'll also see companies. Michael Page is basically the HR one. You've got Ola in here. You've got Deloitte. You've got Amazon. E-commerce companies out here. Even in these companies, you see you've been given a corporate finance ka profile. This is one of the elite profile as far as finance is concerned, guys. Do not forget that, right? And that's the reason I always say that it's a beautiful blend. I actually looked at the profile and it's getting better, year by year, and that's what actually surprises me. Like, even this year also that these guys have done a phenomenal job. Same thing is applicable for HR. You can kind of pause the video, have a look at it. This is available there on the website. Also, you can check it. But again, guys, look at this college. Just not look at the placement. Look at the quality of placement. Okay, definitely competition है NM के लिए. There is no doubt about it. When you have such a fabulous peer group, then competition has to be there. There is no doubt about it. So guys, you need to sort of understand that yes, it's one of the college that you should be gunning for. It's better than a couple of new IIMs and baby IIMs and other non-IIMs and IITs. Also, I hope you understood my perspective. I hope you like my perspective. If you like this video, just hit that like button out there. Also, subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading college type videos. Which college you should be joining and college analysis in a detailed manner on a daily basis. So, guys, that's it from my side. Thank you so much for watching this video.